Everyone, this is Arcelia and Manuel Trigos with the Trigos Team, and we're really excited to let you know about our win of the week.
Hi, yeah, like Arcelia said, we just wanted to share with you real quick the win of the week, we're calling it. It's a win of the week for us. It's a win of the week for our client. We just made an offer on a property and our client's offer did get accepted. There were 17 offers on the property and our client won the offer. It was due to it being a well-prepared, well-written and well-presented offer. Like I said, it wasn't the highest offer, but our client's offer did get accepted. She is an investor. We've helped her purchase quite a few other homes in the past, and we're working on some other projects to help her resell those properties. And she may resell this property in the future. She may just keep it. One of the things that we wanted to share with you all is that the market is settling a little bit. It has definitely adjusted somewhat, and it's very noticeable. So what we're telling our clients who are buyers is take advantage of that. Go out, make an offer, be active in looking at homes, and that's what we're doing with her. We've been probably for about a month and a half, 2 months now, been actively looking and kind of just tracking and making sure that we're not going to pay too much for a home, but at the same time making an offer that's aggressive enough. Like I said, there were 17 offers, so that does not mean that it's a buyer's market. It's still a seller's market. But making the right offer at the right price to make sure you get in for the right property is what we're focused on. We did that here. We're here in the Northside neighborhood. We saw a lot of properties here in the downtown area. This property is in contract at $700,000. It was listed at right under $6 million, which is of course not a realistic number, but that was the strategy that the listing agent and their seller decided to choose. And again, it's a matter of just knowing the market, doing your comps, and coming up with the right price. This property is here on North 15th Street. We're right across the street from Bethesda Park here. So I'll just do a little rotation here. There it is. Bethesda Park, and namely right here in front of the park. Some people didn't like being in front of the park at times, but honestly, it's become a little bit more desirable. We've talked to some of the neighbors who live right across the street, and over time, they've actually come to love being right in front of the park more. There's so much to offer here.
And whether you're buying or selling, give us a call and we can help you too. If you're selling, we will get you the most price.
Yep.
And if you're buying, we will get you in. We worked with another client last week. We got them into contract. We showed them a few homes, wrote one offer, got them in. There was probably, I think, 4 offers on that house and we got her in. So give us a call. We can help you too.
Absolutely. Nice talking to you guys, and please continue to visit us on our social media sites. Going to be doing it more often. We just want to make sure we keep you guys abreast of the market and some of our success and the success of our clients as well. Talk to you soon.
Bye.